Hey guys, sorry for the lack of filming in this video. I'm just trying to get the work done before the rain comes, as is every day in Florida. So just wanted to show you, I got the new control arms on. These are Striker off-road design, designed for a 2 to 3 inch leveling kit on these second gens. Non-adjustable, just fixed length. Got them on both sides. Let me show you what the old ones look like. Here's my old blower. Pretty bad. Upper wasn't too bad, but still wasn't very good. So I got those all done, and we got the valve lash all taken care of on the truck as well. So, pretty productive day on the truck. Just wanted to try and keep you guys updated. I was trying to film and do the work at the same time, but it just takes too much time, right? You know, when you're working with one person and you're trying to get everything done before the rain comes. So, at least I can give you guys a little comparison. They look a whole lot better in there too. And this truck does only have a 2 inch leveling kit, so it should be great.